here today. I figured I'd change the oil on the bike. First time changing it since I got it. And right now just letting it drain out. Got the filter. Man, just FYI, bike oil and filters are they're more expensive than car freaking oil and filters. I want to say I paid 1,700 yen for the filter, which I got from Kawasaki, and I paid let's see, but I got Amsoil. So I got Amsoil oil here, so I'm going to pick up today. So this is Kawasaki filter for the 250, part number there. Got that, and I got the oil. Looked it up and it says 2 quarts, so that's what I got. 10W40. Can't go wrong with Amsoil, so got 2 quarts of that. And also for my bike, it's not for my bike, it's for some electrical stuff that I need to do before it's sunny. It's for my bike. So my other bike that I got there, actually picked that up, and I got 2 new inner tubes for it. They take the what's the name of this freaking thing? I forgot the name of the freaking what's it called you have to use. Got an adapter for it too. Where is it? There it is. So this adapter is for your conventional, for your regular pump, but it uses this valve. Damn, what's the name of this valve? I'm about to look it up now. Oh, whatever. I didn't want to stop my video. You guys know the right bike's what it's called, what that valve's called. I forgot. But I went and got that today so I can put the tubes on that thing and get it back going. I'm going to use that to ride around and do more exercise with. So right now, let's get back to this. Let me find my oil filter. I think it's on the bottom side here. Oh God. Let's find the filter. Filter's on the front part of this engine. Not hard to get to at all. With me having the 250 here, the reason I got the 250 is for here in Japan, you don't have to do JCI on a 250 and below. But like what, 300 and above, you have to do JCI. So I don't have to do a JCI on this. Just have to do a quality inspection just to make sure everything's good and nothing's going on with it. Make sure that's good and tight. Don't over tighten it. And the filter is there, right behind this manifold. So it's probably good to change this not right after you just getting finished riding the bike. So slide my pan under there. Let's see here if I can get it. If not, I got a tool. 1 second. Okay, I can grab it here through the fairing in the front. So unscrew that. I'm guessing, yeah, some oil's gonna come out of there. Make sure you clean all that off your manifold, your pipe. You don't want to catch a fire, because that would definitely cause a fire. And also, while you got it out, just do a quick inspection. Make sure there's nothing crazy inside of it. No metal. Also, motorcycle oil is different from conventional car, automobile oil. It has to run clutch packs, and it has to use has the viscosity to run through your bearings and stuff. So it's a different make, viscosity, the way it's made is different. It's a different material. So don't try and run your don't try and run freaking car oil in your motorcycle oil. I know I never tried it. Actually, this is my first motorcycle owning. So, I mean, I don't know what would happen. I'm sure somebody know. I'm sure somebody tried it, but not me. So just prelude just a little bit. Just put a little bit of oil in there. Not a lot. Just a little bit. And then what you want to do is get that and rub it around the seal area there. That way it's kind of lubed up. So good there. Nothing crazy. All right, let's put our filter back on. And to do this, you don't have to have a motorcycle stand. Some motorcycles sit low to where you would have to have a stand, but for this, you don't have to have a stand. All right. I think my paws put that on tight enough. So to fill a plug. It's on there pretty good. That's good, because you don't want that loose. When it rains or anything, you don't want anything getting in the clean air gap. Make sure you don't drop it, blah, blah, blah. And also clean it off. But also check the O-ring to make sure it's within service. So that's good. And if anything comes off, I mean, just wipe it down. So 1 second. As I previously stated, let's get this off your manifold, because you do not need fire and oil leakage. Call that can happen. So always be careful when working around this area. Let's get that over there. Wipe it down. Also look under there. Wipe it down good. I think we're good to go there. Yeah. See, you're not. You got a little bit left under there, so let's spray that down. See if I can get that. This tube. I ran out with this one, but I got another one. All right, now that I got everything in, steady enough with your hands, you can put this in without a funnel. So it says takes 2 quarts, so I'm going to give it every ounce, every bit of this $14 and some odd cents oil. Don't need to waste any. All right, another cool thing about being here in Japan, when you finish with your oil, they have these baskets or you know, cardboard things you buy, and you can put your oil inside of here, and pretty much it's just all absorbent, so it absorbs all your oil, all of it, into there. Yeah, just take it off. Take it all, mate. Bye-bye. I'm sorry, that's a little bit of cooling also, but it's all going to the wayside. All going to the wayside. Bye-bye. Thank you. Arigato. Otsukare-sama deshita. Matane. Hopefully not matane, but thank you. So, pretty much you just Wrap all this up. Once you finish, you wrap it all up and you sit it out by the road just so they can pick it up and they know that it's waste. So just a little recap. Change your oil, check all your fluids, check your brakes. So mine need a little bit in there, but I'll check that. Also, if it went that low, just want to check your brake pads. I have some pads for the front, I want to say, in the house. Also check your chain, make sure it's not rusted, which I need to lube this one up maybe. Yeah, I'll probably lube it up. These tires are pretty much, the guy said they were on not too long before I got the bike from him. This is a 2014, and it looks pretty good for a 2014. The only thing is the dash is mile power doesn't work, and something with the lights. But he said some condensation got inside of it, and after that, it just went stupid. But a new one of those costs like $500, and I'm like, I don't want to pay that much right now. So, also just check your tire pressure if you have a tire pressure gauge. Check to make sure your forks aren't leaking, nothing crazy. He said he had these redone also. Check your coolant levels. It's just minor stuff you can check. This is all preventive maintenance. Coolant levels, good here. All in all, this is it. Oil change on a Z250.